Hello everyone, here I am with the video of on parts of speech in English grammar. I will take in this video parts of speech in brief. इस parts of speech जो मैं ये video है इसमें parts of speech को brief में लूँगी, short में लूँगी, and in my next video I will explain all the parts of speech in detail, so you will be able to understand and clear your doubts about all the parts of speech. So let's get started. Okay. So what is parts of speech in English grammar? Words are divided into different kinds of classes are called parts of speech according to their work and use in a sentence. Words अलग अलग classes में divide होते हैं according to their use in sentence. उनके use के according sentence में उसे हम parts of speech बोलते हैं. There are basically 8 parts of speech in English grammar. What are they? Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Okay, so what is a noun? Generally you learn the definition of a noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Yes, it's true, but just we can say that noun is a naming word. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word. Any name of anything, person, anyone, we are saying it's a noun. Let's see one example. Ram is a boy. In this sentence, Ram is a noun and boy is also a noun. Second is pronoun. Pronoun are the words used in the place of a noun. हम noun की जगह पर pronouns को use करते हैं. Let's see an example. Priya is a girl. So Priya is a girl. For girl we are using she. She is beautiful. So she is pronoun here. Okay. Now third is verb. Verb you have to remember only. एक्शन वर्ड्स आर वर्ब. वर्ब क्या होती है? जो एक्शन वर्ड्स होते हैं, जहाँ क्रिया होती है, वेयर समथिंग इज हैपनिंग, दैट इज अ वर्ब. सी, आई एम राइटिंग अ लेटर. सो राइटिंग इज अ वर्ब बिकॉज राइटिंग इज अ क्रिया एक्शन गोइंग ऑन. ओके, राइटिंग एक एक्शन है. शी गोज टू मार्केट. गोज इज अ वर्ब बिकॉज गोइंग इज एन एक्शन. ये एक एक्शन है. ओके. Now fourth is adjective. What is adjective? Adjective describes a noun and pronoun and adds something to the meaning of noun and pronoun in a sentence. Noun और pronoun को describe करता है, उसके meaning में कुछ add करता है. See with the help of example. She is a brave girl. तो she is a girl is a complete sentence. एक complete sentence है कि she is a girl, लेकिन उस pronoun है she, उसमें add कर रहा है brave. तो ये brave क्या हो गया है? Adjective हो गया है. Okay, it is describing the girl, the quality of a girl. Okay, he is a tall boy. So tall is another adjective. Then there are 20 boys in the class. So how many boys? 20. So this 20 is also an adjective. Next is adverbs. Adverbs are words which are used to add something to the meaning of adjective, verb or another adverb. Okay, so what is the difference between adjective? Adjective describes noun and pronoun and adds something to the meaning of noun and pronoun, but adverb describes verb, adjective or another adverb. See this example. He finished the work quickly. So how he finished the work? Quickly. So quickly is an adverb. This girl is very beautiful. So very is describing the word beautiful. Beautiful adjective है और adjective को describe कर रहा है very word. तो very is an adverb. And here work is the verb. Work को quickly describe कर रहा है, so quickly is an adverb. Most of the adverbs are end with ly, but सारी जो adverbs है वो ly से end नहीं होती है. Okay, but if a word is with end with ly means it's a adverb. You can recognize it. Okay, next is preposition. What is preposition? Prepositions are the word used with noun and pronoun to show relation with the sentence. See, book is on the table. So where is the book? The book is on the table. So on is connecting noun and pronoun in the sentence. Okay, there is a bird in the park. In is the preposition. The girl is fond of music. So of is a preposition. Next is conjunctions. Conjunctions आपको याद रखना है कि join, बस join हम word याद रखेंगे तो मैं. Conjunctions are the words used to join two words, sentences, phrases and clauses. 2 and 2 are 4. So and is the word which is joining 2 and 2. So and is the conjunction. I ran fast but I missed the bus. So but is in conjunction which is joining the two sentence. Here joining the two words. Next is interjection. In interjection there is sudden feeling and there is an exclamation mark. with this exclamation mark we can recognize the interjection. Okay, so hurrah, we won the match. Wow, you are here. Wow, it's so pretty. These are the interjections. Now see, here in the box I have written some examples of all the 8 parts of a speech. So see, Ram is a noun here. He is a pronoun here. Go is a verb here. Okay, then happy is an adjective, late is an adverb, on is a preposition, and is a conjunction, and o is an interjection. Now we will do one exercise here. Let's see how much we understood. Okay, so this is recognition of parts of speech. इसमें हमको पहचानना है कि कौन से parts of speech हैं sentence में. The underlined word. Okay, they listen to music every day. So listening is a action, so it's a verb. Okay, he is an old lady, so old is an adjective, it's describing the lady, so it's an adjective. Okay, they played chess, so they is a pronoun. Okay, my father drives carefully, ly means adverb. Mona and Sona are best friends, so and is a joining, so it's a conjunction. This is a fast car, fast again describing the car, so it's an adjective. Has your father ever been to London? So father is a noun. The picture is on the wall, on is the preposition. What did she ask you to do? She is a pronoun used instead of a noun. If you finish your work quickly, ly again, so we'll write adverb. I want to go to a university. University is a place, so again it's a noun. Oh, I forgot to bring my purse. Oh is an interjection. Hurrah, we won the match. Again it's an interjection. That's all for today. I'll come up with new videos in detail on parts of speech. Thank you. Bye-bye.